Okay, our last step of activity 1.1.1 is step 3, which is to add images. And it says we're supposed to use web search and some keywords, grading, trenching, compaction, to get some images that we're allowed to use under their license. Now, in this case, since each one of these images is a small part of our whole synthesis, and in general, each one of the images is a small part of the source that we're taking it from. And because we're educational and are not monetizing our output, you are allowed to take these snips and put them in there. If you were doing this from work or for work and to make money, you wouldn't be able to do it. Okay, this way, but we can. So I'm going to do this last one here, compaction, image number 3. So I'll come to here and I'll type in construction compaction and I'll look at images for construction compaction. And I found this one that I thought was pretty cool. And so I'm going to right click and open the image in a new tab. And there it is. And I can then take a snip of it or a screenshot. And I want it to be kind of the same shape as that box I'm going to put it in. Doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be exact. Just wanted to get it kind of close. And then I can do a Control C or a right click copy, or I can do edit copy, and I can put that right into here, right click paste. There it is. So now I need to get it kind of the right size. So I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to line it up sort of with the top, and then I'll get this edge. And I always use the corners. If I use these on the sides, it makes it look all weird. So I don't want to do that. I always use my corner ones. There, that's the right height. And that's what I'm going to do on all of these. Once I've got all 3 of them the correct height, hopefully very close to the same width, I'll get rid of my borders. Okay? So you should end up with 1, 2, 3 images, grading, trenching, compaction. And it doesn't have to be equipment. It could be the results of compaction. It could be process. It can be a drawing. It can be anything you want. It can be an image that lets us understand a little bit more about grading, trenching, and compaction. And to work with images, we find an image using the image lookup tool. Select one, right click, open it in a new tab, take a snip, copy it, and paste. Then you have to get it sized right, remembering to use these corners. And you can either, well, I think you're best off to use top to top alignment, and then do your best to get these all about the same width. Okay, there you go. That is activity 1.1.1, step 3, add images and crop or adjust so that it's well presented.